Namaste. Today people know yoga mainly as a physical exercise. But in fact, the physical exercises in yoga prepare the body for breathing practices and meditation. Therefore, in our yoga start, we will analyze Sukhasana, which translated as comfortable pose. First, let's try to sit on the floor and see if we can bring our knees down to the floor. If you have them freely falling down, most likely you can do without a pillow. This ensures that the pelvis is in such a position that the spine is pulled straight up. If you can't get your knees down, then your pelvis is tilted back a little. It rounds the back. Trying to straighten it, you will strain the muscles of your lower back, and after a few minutes they will burn and cause discomfort. In this case, choose pillow of the desired height. For some people, a small pillow will suffice. Some will find a higher pillow comfortable. You may even need few pillows, and that's okay. Over time, you will be able to switch to smaller pillows. I suggest starting with pillow even if you feel like you could sit on the floor. And we will try to sit without a pillow in a week if you're ready. Our goal is an absolutely straight back and neck. But it should be natural, without undue stress. Place a pillow on the mat. Sit on it, trying to easily twist the tailbone down. The back of the head tends upward. Relax your face. Relax your neck. Relax your chest. Relax your stomach. Relax your shoulders and arms. Relax your legs. This is Sukhasana, a comfortable pose. A restless mind wants to do something all the time. The purpose of this exercise is to do nothing. We are just sitting. Our body is relaxed, but our spine is extended. Our mind is calm. We use this moment of calm to gain strength. Let's sit in silence for a minute. Take a deep breath and open your eyes as you exhale. This concludes our first lesson. Have a good day. Namaste.